All right.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
What are we gonna do?
Okay, we're gonna take that ladder.
Go down the creek, like I said. I thought.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dang. Hey, you guys, where are you going? Aren't you gonna walk down to the creek? But that's too far down. Just, why don't we go down through here? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Sideways. Yep.
Hey, wait for me. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, what do you got?
Oh yeah, that's a good beat. That's so cool. Pyrite.
Yeah. Hey.
Look at a marker.
Oh, look, somebody put their marker out in case somebody comes by.
The marker's actually here. The claim.
Yeah, there's no claim. No marker.
There's rocks right there.
What do you see? What time is it supposed to start snowing?
That sign is valid.
Oh, yeah.
Marker date on it. That's the claim marker. It doesn't mean shit. Look at that. Is that flooded?
Is it?
I can't tell. That's a homeless camp. Got nothing to do with us. Oh, look at this right here too.
Oh, oh, dang. Watch your step.
Oh.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Holy cow.
Well, this line is falling apart. There they were sitting
Is there another one back there?
Yeah, probably. Oops.
Oh, go ahead.
Looks like we started digging right here.
Or something caved in. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Straight ahead.
Yeah, look at that one. Oh, wow, that's flooded.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, dang.
Billy's timbered.
Hey. Max loves that crap. Max, come on. Look at this down here. We should have brought our waders. I told you.
Another one.
Another one? I know. Is it?
Yeah, this one goes in.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Not sure how sketchy it is, but.
Ooh.
If I see a homeless camp, well, we're good.
Yeah.
Miners camp. They're probably homeless. We live on here. And this goes down to more.
Another one? What's all these branches? This one?
Yeah, there's more.
Oh, dang. But this one's all collapsed in. Does it? Yeah? Oh, yeah.
Alright, this leads to nothing. I'm gonna take a leak over here.
Oh, yeah. Here, I'm coming up with my camera on.
Yeah.
What's down here?
Here we go. Let's see what we find.
Look at all this tailing. Hey, what's over there? Hey.
Looks like there's more trails going up from here.
There's another one over here, too.
All over the place.
Tailings all over. Look at that. Who knows? Yeah. What's right below us?
This rock is scattered.
Oh. Tell me if you see anything. Okay.
Got more over there?
Yeah. Oh. Anything?
Nothing over here. This one's
Huh?
huge tailings pile.
Okay.
Somebody's still working this one.
Which one?
Well, all these, because these
Well, what's down there?
aren't very old. There's more than likely an active claim.
There's no sign, though.
No, we'd have to go over to the post, the white post, and look for the jar into the rock.
This looks like it could have been one. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at that. It's all flooded in there. What is that down there?
Collapsed.
Oh, it's collapsed.
Pretty neat ladder.
Oh, really?
Portal.
Oh, wow. Look at all the timbers.
This is part of Bogey's claim. Bogey's probably what we find.
Don't you say you know him? Hey, look across the canyon. Look over there. Ooh. Huh? Yeah. We're walking all on tailings. This is all tailings we're walking on. Oh. You seen anything?
Now, see that one over there you can drive to.
Yeah.